All right, so the recording is in progress. I'm not an angel right now. This is something happening. Uh, let's see. All right, so what I'm going to talk about is the cloud. This is part two. And I'm going to do some housekeeping of, yeah. So see if I can just start sharing my screen again, because I actually found what I was looking for. So let me share this screen right here and just talk about a few cloud services. Let me share this window. I think this is what I wanted. Is it? Yep. Okay. All right. So this is my screen. So I was looking for a command, and that command was to so where I went here, Cloud Shell. And in Cloud Shell, what did I want? I wanted to run some commands. What does it mean, a command? Command is something that you order. So you are ordering the computer to do things. For me, in my case, I was looking for this command because this gives me access to more commands. So I want to give the computer instructions. I also want to use more instructions. So this is what I was looking for. So that's one service. So Cloud Shell. And specifically on top of Cloud Shell, I want to use something called PowerShell. And this PowerShell is a language, much like you guys speak English or Spanish and Spanish, speak Creole. Multiple languages, PowerShell is another language. So I'm going to use this to do something very basic. Yeah, get EC2. Whoops. What's the other one I want to do? Oh, whoops. So that's work. That's one. And I want to run another one. So you guys just gonna watch me do some housekeeping. Need to run some PowerShell commands. I'm trying to remember how to access it in Cloud Shell. That's what I wanted. Press other command too. One here. So I can actually remember how this stuff works. And I want this command here. Security token. So install this module. All right, so this gives me the second thing. So let me actually throw this in the chat because I want to actually start recording some of this content as far as the commands I need to run. Sunshine. All right, so there's that. And the other command I want to run just as a check. Yeah, so this one, might have to edit this one out because it gets to some information about the account. So I'm not going to run this one directly, only because it's going to give this command I want to run. So this command I want to run called get STS call identity, but that's going to reveal some account information. So this is something else to think about with when you're doing cloud computing. You have to also think about security. So you can run a command. It's going to give you information, and you want to make sure that information is protected. And that's what I'm doing right now. But there's some other stuff that we can do in the meantime. So we access Cloud Shell, which is where I just was. Yeah, so let me close this one because it forces you to pick one. And then I want to go here. All right, so that's that. The other thing I need to do is I need to remove some accounts. All right, so these are some accounts that I need to remove from previous class. So let's see, I need to remove, Son is still here, we go, Sabina, and yeah. It's been a while since anybody, so I'm going to delete these. And delete these. All right, so now I just have, oops, got this one, and I have a test user, but let me do this. Let me be smart and delete those users as well. So I'm going to delete these users. All right, so right now I'm going to go through some services, and one of the services I want to go through is user management, and including user management. So we had 12 users, but I really needed just 3 right now. So I'll add other people as we go along. The other thing is groups. So I should really only need one group here, teachers group, made test group. So I'll leave that one alone for now, teachers and test group. All right, so I'm going to delete that. Let's remove them. Delete it again. All right, so let's go through some other stuff with the users. So we have 3 users right now, Mikan-sun, Rigo, and Sabina. Created it a year ago, more than a year ago. And yeah, we're going to change that as well. All right, so all right, so let's see. Let me do that again because I actually realized what just happened. Start this over again, because that has some information that I don't want to put publicly. So let me